Hi, ladies and gentlemen. When I was younger, some 20 years ago, I went to a lot of schools, and what I didn't get any money, but I got the opportunity to speak to so many schools. And you can see here, motivational talk, and this is what I get. So I got a lot of tokens and free coffee and free snacks and no money. Sometimes the school give me some certificates, but most of the schools didn't have even money to pay me, so they just give me a token. And you can see here I have a lot of different token, and this was Inti College in Sarawak, and I was actually speaking to the students in Inti College. And I also have done for school in rural area, and you can see this is SMK Tebakang. Is 1 hour outside coaching. Yeah, so and some schools don't even have the token. They will be very kind enough to give me a certificate. So these were the days when I got started, and I gave a lot of free sessions in order to get started as a motivational speaker. So when I got a bit more experience, I went into the speaking competition, and here you can see I have a lot of trophies here. For instance, this is from, okay, let me show you this one. This is from Toastmasters International. You can see the T logo here. So I actually competed in more than maybe 30-40 speaking competition. The first 20 speaking competition, I lost around 20 times before I get my first trophy. And after I got my first trophy, I keep winning more trophies, and these are all from different Toastmasters club. And this is how I got started to build my competency and also my confidence. Now you can see that this is as early as 2001, and this is how I got started. So today is the year 2021. It's 20 years ago. Yeah. Do you need time to build your competency? The answer is yes. So sometimes I don't get a trophy, but I get this kind of this medal. I get a medal, and the medal here says that first runner-up in speaking competition. So whatever I share with you here, I'm sharing with you on how you can create a winning presentation, a winning speech, a winning script. And this is important because there's a formula in crafting, there's a formula in designing a good presentation. Now, what is the biggest achievement for me as a person? Well, personally, I represented Malaysia in the speaking competition in Japan. This was year 2002, and I emerged the champion for the speaking competition representing Malaysia. How many times did I rehearse? 500 times. I did my rehearsal before flying to Japan for the speaking competition. And this was the trophy that I got when I went to Japan, and there's a little bit of damage here, but you can still see it's written 2002 JCI Junior Chamber International, Aspect Sendai. Sendai is a city in Japan. So I took about 6 months to prepare my speech, rehearse my speech, and paid for my own expenses for the competition under Junior Chamber Malaysia, competing in the Junior Chamber International Asia Speaking Conference competition. Yeah. So if you are really passionate about becoming a speaker or trainer, you need to allow yourself to learn and grow and improve your competency in the period of time. Yeah, it will not be happening in 1 year. It may be taking 5 years or 10 years, and you will certainly be a great trainer, a good speaker. Thank you for watching me, and these are some of the trophies I want to show you. So if you are coming to my class, you are not just learning from the trainer who read from the book, a textbook, but you are learning from the trainer who have some successes in the speaking contests. And this is where I'm coming from. I'm coming from winning the competition and teaching you how to draft your winning presentation. And it's all about designing and creating and crafting a good presentation. Thank you for watching my video, and I see you in the next video.